what are some things that some business owners out there can look for, responses that they can
Yep.
identify, or questions they can ask, that could be red flags, and say, oh, maybe I shouldn't use this company?
Yeah. So the number one thing that I always tell people to do is if you're in the home service space, we all know Google reviews are super important. If you're working with a marketing company that has zero Google reviews, what are they doing? They don't know what they're doing because they don't even have Google reviews for their own business. Now, they're not maybe a local business, but if they're going to tell you and teach you how to do things, they got to do stuff on their own.